Number 1. 1981 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper, $4,000, Wellsboro, Pennsylvania. This 1981 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster has been transformed into a custom chopper built around a Paco frame and finished in a striking synergy green with custom flake and airbrushed flames. The Ironhead platform is known for its raw mechanical character, and this build enhances that personality with upgraded components like an Ultima carburetor, Dyna ignition, and a Prism Supply petcock. The overall look is bold and unmistakable, backed by a clean New York title signed and ready to transfer. Additional details such as powder-coated parts, Prism Supply wiring components, and Shinko tires contribute to both reliability and visual appeal. This bike represents a blend of classic Harley DNA and custom chopper style, making it ideal for riders who want something unique and expressive. For those seeking a vintage Harley with a personalized touch, this Ironhead chopper offers both presence and performance. Number 2. 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R, $8,000, Wyandotte, Michigan. The 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R is one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced, known for its 650cc parallel twin engine and timeless styling. This example was refurbished in 2004 and has been carefully stored, with extremely limited use since the early 1970s. Finished in a distinctive purple, it stands out visually while maintaining the classic lines that define the Bonneville legacy. Recent updates in May 2025 include a new carburetor, gas lines, fluids, and tires, ensuring it is mechanically refreshed while still retaining original components such as the AML carburetor. The inclusion of the original manual and documentation adds to its collector appeal. For enthusiasts seeking a well-preserved and historically significant Triumph, this T120R offers a rare combination of originality and careful upkeep. Number 3. 1974 BMW R75/6, $5,000, Zirconia, North Carolina. This 1974 BMW R75/6 is a well-preserved survivor finished in classic black with white pinstripes, showing 31,000 miles. It has been showcased at the 2023 BMW 50th Rally in Richmond, highlighting its quality and presentation. The bike retains its original manual with dealer stamps and toolkit, reinforcing its authenticity as a vintage BMW. Extensive maintenance and restoration work have been carried out, including front fork rebuilds, top-end resealing, new Metzler tires, and various component replacements. The speedometer has been professionally restored, and upgrades such as a parabellum fairing and easy-pull clutch improve rideability. With its combination of originality, documented care, and thoughtful updates, this R75/6 stands as a strong example of a classic BMW ready for continued enjoyment. Number 4. 1974 Moto Guzzi Eldorado, $6,750, Asheville, Ohio. The 1974 Moto Guzzi Eldorado is a distinctive Italian touring motorcycle powered by a longitudinal V-twin engine and known for its durability and unique character. This example, finished in red, has undergone a comprehensive restoration from the frame up, including a full engine rebuild and approximately 5,000 miles of use since completion. Its mechanical upgrades include Delorto carburetors, an alternator conversion, a Valeo-style starter, and a modernized wiring harness. Additional improvements, such as a 4-leading shoe front brake, enhance its performance, while included original components like the transmission, starter, and carburetors add value for future flexibility. There is a noted speedometer discrepancy due to a transmission change, but it can be corrected if desired. Overall, this Eldorado offers a well-sorted and character-rich vintage riding experience with both originality and thoughtful enhancements. Number 5. 1971 Honda CB100, $2,500, West Chester, Pennsylvania.
The 1971 Honda CB100 is a lightweight and approachable classic that reflects Honda's early reputation for reliability and user-friendly design. This example runs and rides well for its age, making it a practical vintage option for casual riding or collecting. Its compact size and simple mechanics make it especially appealing for newer riders or those looking for an easy-to-maintain classic. The bike has received useful updates, including new tires and a battery, and it comes with a clean title, original manual, and toolkit. Minor cosmetic and electrical issues are noted, such as a dented gas tank, a cracked headlight cover, and a non-functioning low beam and neutral light, but these do not detract significantly from its usability. For buyers seeking an affordable and charming vintage Honda, this CB100 offers a solid and enjoyable package.
Number 6. 1971 Triumph T120R, $2,150, Piedmont, South Carolina. The 1971 Triumph T120R is a classic 650cc British twin that continues to attract enthusiasts for its strong performance and timeless design. This example is described as a running project, offering a solid foundation for riders who want a usable bike with room for improvement. Equipped with a single carburetor and a 4-speed transmission, it starts, runs well, and shifts smoothly through all gears, making it more than just a static project. All major lighting components, including headlight, turn signals, tail light, and brake light, are functioning, adding to its practicality. With a clean South Carolina title tied to the frame, this bike presents a straightforward ownership path. For buyers seeking an affordable entry into classic Triumph ownership with immediate rideability, this T120R offers strong value and potential. Number 7. 1978 Harley-Davidson Super Glide, $8,500, New Eagle, Pennsylvania. The 1978 Harley-Davidson Super Glide is a defining model from the late 1970s, blending factory styling with the custom-inspired look that helped shape Harley's identity. This example stands out with its original paint and very low mileage of just 5,545 miles, making it a rare survivor that has never been taken apart. Its preserved condition gives it strong appeal among collectors and enthusiasts alike. Described as clean and in excellent shape, this bike is suitable both as a collectible and as a rider that can be enjoyed on the road. The Super Glide platform is known for its balanced handling and classic V-twin character, making it approachable for a wide range of riders. For those looking for an original, low-mileage Harley from this era, this example offers both authenticity and long-term value. Number 8. 1978 Honda GL1000 Goldwing, Cafe Racer, $3,000, Ada, Michigan. This 1978 Honda GL1000 Goldwing has been tastefully converted into a cafe racer, while retaining the ability to be returned to its original configuration. Importantly, no cutting or welding was done during the build, preserving the integrity of the frame. The GL1000 platform is known for its smooth, flat-4 engine and strong reliability, making it a versatile base for both custom and stock builds. The bike features several upgrades, including LED lighting, a Ducati exhaust, Dynatec ignition, Lester mag wheels, and cafe-style bodywork. It has been ridden for a few thousand miles in its current form, demonstrating its usability. With a title in the seller's name and flexibility in its configuration, this Goldwing offers a unique opportunity for riders who appreciate both customization and classic engineering.
Number 9. 1980 BMW R65, $3,900, Richmond, Virginia. The 1980 BMW R65 is a smaller displacement member of BMW's Boxer twin family, offering a lighter and more manageable riding experience while retaining the brand's hallmark durability. This example is described as being in great shape and recently serviced, ensuring it runs smoothly and is ready for the road. Its history of ownership by a BMW motorcycle mechanic adds an extra layer of confidence in its maintenance and care. Included extras such as 2 helmets and period-correct BMW hardshell saddlebags enhance both its practicality and value. The R65 is known for its balanced handling and ease of use, making it a great option for riders seeking a classic BMW that is approachable and dependable. For those looking for a well-maintained vintage touring bike, this example delivers a complete and ready-to-ride package. Number 10. 1981 Moto Guzzi V1000 Convert, $2,600, Madison, Wisconsin. The 1981 Moto Guzzi V1000 Convert is one of the most unique motorcycles of its era, featuring a torque converter transmission paired with a 2-speed gearbox. This setup allows the bike to start and stop smoothly without traditional clutch operation, offering a semi-automatic riding experience that stands apart from conventional motorcycles. Powered by a large Italian V-twin engine, it delivers both comfort and character on longer rides. Additional features, such as Moto Guzzi's Link Brembo braking system, highlight the innovative engineering of the period, improving braking balance and control. With 18,800 miles and a distinctive design, this Convert model is both a conversation piece and a practical touring machine. For enthusiasts seeking something different from the typical vintage lineup, this Moto Guzzi offers a rare blend of engineering curiosity and real-world usability. Number 11. 1979 Triumph Bonneville 750 T140E, $4,500, Thornville, Ohio. The 1979 Triumph Bonneville 750 T140E represents the final evolution of one of Britain's most iconic motorcycle lines, offering classic styling paired with refined performance. This example shows 13,980 miles and is described as starting, running, and riding well, making it a practical vintage option for those who want a usable classic. Finished in brown, it carries the understated look typical of late-era Bonnevilles. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, fresh tires, and updated fluids such as oil, oil filter, and brake fluid, ensuring it is ready for continued use. With a clear title in the seller's name and a straightforward no-trade listing, this bike presents an easy purchase for interested buyers. For enthusiasts seeking a dependable and rideable British twin, this T140E offers a solid balance of history and usability. Number 12. 1967 Honda CA78 305 Dream, $2,300, Madison, Wisconsin. The 1967 Honda CA78 305 Dream is a distinctive and stylish example of Honda's early touring-oriented motorcycles, known for its smooth engine and unique design. With 10,791 miles and described as running great, this bike offers a reliable entry point into vintage Japanese motorcycling. Its characteristic lines and chrome details make it stand out from more conventional designs of the era. Equipped with a new battery and a good set of tires, it is ready to be enjoyed while still retaining a pleasing level of patina that reflects its age. The Dream series has long been appreciated for its comfort and ease of use, making it suitable for relaxed riding. For collectors or riders seeking a charming and functional classic, this CA78 delivers both personality and practicality. Number 13. 1982 Yamaha XJ1100, $2,000, Florence, Kentucky. The 1982 Yamaha XJ1100 is a powerful and comfortable cruiser from Yamaha's early 1980s lineup, offering strong performance from its inline-4 engine. This example is described as being in great cosmetic condition, with a clean seat and all lights and signals functioning properly. It runs and rides, making it a usable bike, though it will benefit from a new battery and some carburetor work for optimal performance. The airbox is currently removed, providing flexibility for customization, such as pod filters, though the original component is included. With a clean title and room for negotiation,
This bike presents an affordable opportunity for riders seeking a larger displacement vintage machine. For those willing to do minor tuning, the XJ1100 offers a rewarding blend of power and classic style.
Number 14. 1972 Harley-Davidson, $12,000, Bally, Pennsylvania. This 1972 Harley-Davidson is presented as a highly original example, retaining its factory paint and overall stock configuration. The bike has been ridden regularly, indicating that it remains functional and not just a static display piece. With only minor changes such as tires and a points cover, it preserves much of its original character, which is increasingly valued among collectors. Described as being in excellent condition, it offers a strong combination of authenticity and usability. The early 1970s Harley models are known for their classic V-twin presence and enduring appeal, making them desirable in today's market. For buyers seeking a largely untouched vintage Harley with proven rideability, this example stands out as a premium offering.
Number 15. 1983 Kawasaki KZ440 LTD, $925, Wilmington, North Carolina. The 1983 Kawasaki KZ440 LTD is an affordable and approachable entry into vintage motorcycling, offering reliable performance in a lightweight cruiser-style package. Showing 13,442 miles, this bike is described as running strong and riding well, with several key components already refurbished, including the hydraulic brakes and carburetors. A new high-performance battery has also been installed, adding to its readiness. All major lighting and signals are functioning, and the tires hold air, making it a usable bike despite its budget-friendly price. While it does not currently have a title, it comes with a clean VIN and previous registration documents, with the potential to obtain a bonded title. For those looking for a low-cost classic with solid fundamentals, this KZ440 LTD offers excellent value and everyday practicality.
Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic motorcycles for sale, with new listings every day.